Hey everyone, Micah here with EbikeSchool.com, and today I am super excited to announce that the channel has reached 100,000 subscribers. So I want to give a big thank you to all of my subscribers, whether you are a recent subscriber or whether you've been with me for years. Thank you so much for helping contribute to my channel and helping me to create this type of content. Now, I normally do a giveaway on each of my videos where I send one of the commenters below a free copy of one of my books. But today I wanted to do something a little bit bigger because it's a special occasion. So thanks to the generosity of two companies, Lectric e-bikes and GoTrax, I'm going to be giving away a free electric bike and a free electric scooter to two viewers of this video. Now, if you're not familiar with the Lectric XP e-bike or the GoTrax XR Ultra, I'll tell you a little bit about them. I've actually had the pleasure of reviewing both of these in the past few months, and they are both awesome personal electric vehicles. The Lectric XP is a 48-volt folding fat tire e-bike. It's got a 500 watt motor, which peaks at about 750 watts. It's got 500 watt hours of battery, and it can hit speeds of 28 miles per hour. It's also a folding bike, which is really convenient because a lot of these higher speed, higher power bikes are pretty big and it's hard to make them more portable, you know, if you want to bring it on the subway or stick it under your desk. But because it's folding, it's still a fat tire bike that can fit into a smaller space, which is a pretty nice feature. The Lectric XP is priced at $899, which, to be honest, is a crazy price for a bike that can hit 28 miles per hour, has a 500 watt motor, and has this much battery. So it's actually a really good price if you're looking for an e-bike, but hopefully one of you guys is gonna walk away with this bike for free. Now, if you're more into electric scooters, check out the GoTrax Ultra XR. This scooter is packing a 350 watt motor that peaks at about 430 watts. It'll give a range of about 13 miles or so. They say 16 miles, but that's in the lowest speed setting. In the highest speed setting, you can get it up to 15 miles per hour. And generally, it's just a really nice entry-level scooter. It's priced at $350, down from the $450 MSRP. And one thing that I really like about it is the folding mechanism. Some of the budget entry-level scooters, the folding mechanisms can be a little janky, you know, but this one has a nice two-step folding mechanism. It's got this safety here that you have to pull before you can engage the folding mechanism, so you know it's not just gonna fold on you while you're riding. So both of these are really cool electric vehicles, and I'm gonna tell you the details on how you can win one of these for free at the end of this video. But first, a little bit of housekeeping. Just a few updates I want to give you guys. There are a few projects I've been working on that I know you guys have been asking in the comments what's going on with those, so here are the updates. First of all, the 1969 Honda Sports Cub CA110 motorcycle conversion. So this is an ongoing project. It's still in the works. I have not abandoned it. At the last step, I think I showed you guys I was building the battery. I've also taken the motor out, and I've prepared it for conversion. The last thing I need to do now is build the battery box and also widen the rear swing arm to fit that rear hub motor. So that is coming, I promise. The only hang up that I've had is that it's currently at my parents' house in Florida, and I'm here in Tel Aviv right now. So the next time I head back there, I'm hopefully going to finish that project and I will bring it to you because I am super excited to get that one finished. Next, the $182 e-bike. Now, I showed you guys a video a few months ago where I planned out this really cheap DIY e-bike. I showed you all the parts to get, and then I went and I bought all those parts so I could do this build in a video. And everything has arrived except for the batteries. There's a whole mess. I ordered hoverboard batteries from AliExpress. They didn't come, so I had to get a refund on that. Now I've ordered from 3 different sources. Hopefully one of them will arrive. I know there's a lot of shipping logistics going on now with the whole COVID-19 pandemic, so I don't know what's going on with international shipping from China, but I'm going to be bringing that to you as soon as I get those batteries. Last thing is, a couple videos ago I did a e-bike buying advice video where I showed a bunch of emails I've gotten from viewers that ask me which bike they should buy to fit their specific commute. And I got a lot of really good feedback from people in the comments below that video saying that they would love to see this as a series. So I'm going to continue that as a series, and anybody who wants to get some personalized e-bike buying advice, you can shoot me an email at whichebikeshouldIget@gmail.com, and I will compile those in some future videos as part of that series. All right, now without any further ado, let's talk about how to enter that giveaway, the thing that I'm sure most of you guys are here for. Now, to enter this giveaway, there are only 2 steps. They're super simple. 1, you need to be subscribed to the channel. If you're already subscribed, awesome, thank you. If you haven't subscribed, just click that red button. I promise it's free and it won't hurt. The second thing you need to do is put a comment down below and tell me which one of the 2 vehicles you're interested, either the Lectric XP e-bike or the GoTrax Ultra XR electric scooter, and tell me what you do with it. You know, are you going to use it as a grocery getter? You're just going to use it for fun and recreation? It could be anything you want. I'm not going to be judging your responses. That's just so I know which one of the 2 giveaways you're interested in, and then I will perform a random drawing for the Lectric XP and the GoTrax Ultra XR electric scooter. That drawing will take place 3 days from now. I'll be back with an update video to let you guys know the 2 winners of the e-bike and the e-scooter. Oh, and one other note about the giveaway. Unfortunately, it has to be limited to people living in the 48 contiguous United States. I know that's frustrating, but it's due to shipping regulations for lithium batteries. It's a whole mess to deal with hazmat shipping internationally. And yeah, I'm sorry about that. I don't even live in the US myself, so I wouldn't even be eligible for my own giveaway. I know it sucks, but I hope that at least the half of my viewers who are Americans will be able to take part in that. Last but not least, one more giveaway in this video, and this is my standard book giveaway. Time to announce the randomly selected commenter from my last video, and the winner is John S. So congrats, John. Just let me know which one of my books you'd like, either the DIY Lithium Batteries book, DIY Solar Power, the Ultimate Do-It-Yourself e-bike guide, or electric motorcycles, and let me know where to send it. And anybody else who wants to win a copy of one of my books, you can put a comment below saying anything you want, and hopefully you'll win a book, even if you don't win a scooter or a bike. All right, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for helping me reach this milestone of 100,000 subscribers. I can't even begin to explain what a humbling experience this is, and it really makes you think about what kind of effect you're having out there, and just how far your videos are reaching. It blows my mind. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you next time.